Hello and welcome back to another episode on our channel. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a live option not showing on TikTok. So before you have a live option, there are a few criteria that you need to fulfill, such as you need to be 16 years of age and above to be able to have the live option. And another criteria is that you need to have at least 1,000 followers before you have the live option on your profile. So if you have both of the criteria matched and you still don't have a live option on your TikTok, then you can follow the steps of this video. Firstly, let's head over to the app of TikTok, and from here head over to your profile section. Now if you have 1,000 followers and the criteria is matched, you need to take a screenshot of this area like so, and you need to head over to the three lines on the top right and then tap on settings and privacy. Now if you scroll down, you'll need to find a section of report a problem. Tap on that. And now if you scroll down again, you'll see a section of live. Tap on that again. And now from here, you'll need to tap on the second option, which is how to start a live. Now here again it shows you the process of how you can start a live, but you need to tap on no. It did not resolve the problem, and tap on need more help. Now firstly, let's add in the screenshot that we just took. You can tap on this icon. Now we have selected the screenshot that we have just taken. Now you can type in something and report the problem. So you can type in something like this and you can tap on submit. And that's going to be all for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.